Welcome back. If you're doing OFM or managing OnlyFans models, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use automation to boost likes and comments on threads to 100% hands-free. We're using smart software that simulates real user interaction. More engagement, more visibility, more fans. Let's begin with account management. Here, you can add unlimited threads accounts and attach proxies. This keeps each account safe and unique, essential for scaling your model outreach. Next, go to the Features tab and choose Threads Comment. Set delay time between 15 to 25 seconds to simulate natural activity. Set the comment list. Each line will be posted from a different account automatically. You can use spicy, emotional, or curiosity-driven comments that attract real followers. Paste in any Threads link from your creator profile or a viral post you want to boost. Then, select the number of accounts and hit start. The bot handles the rest. It will open a stealth browser for each account, load the post, wait, like, then comment. The result? Higher engagement on threads, better algorithm push, and more eyes on your model's content. This is powerful for models just starting out or when launching a new persona. More comments equals more curiosity equals more clicks to the bio equals more conversions to OnlyFans. Want the tool? DM me on Telegram. I'll help you set everything up for your OFM business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more OFM tools.